today with Dr. Whitney and Dr. Jeffery Burns in Newmarket, Virginia. Dr. Whitney, what was your experience today with this case?
To be honest, there's no way in the world that all those implants could be lined up perfectly, placed perfectly, so that they're in adequate bone, and still place a denture at the same time and have the denture fit.
Right.
It couldn't be done freehand.
Right.
My favorite thing about what your product is the visualization. When you have a stackable guide system like this, and where you can take a person that has teeth that aren't even fixated, they can be loose, they can be somewhat mobile, and we can place the base in, and then when we put the osteotomy guide in, I can see exactly where the drills are going. And the fact that I can measure, and I'm able to visualize that makes, to me, it makes everything a lot cleaner and just a lot easier. I think that the PMMA, picking that up now that we've gotten some of these different techniques with the carrier, and be able to, like Dr. Whitney said, being able to do that and have everything lined up, it makes everything easier. It makes ordering easier. It makes have your inventory. You pretty much know where you're going to go. You know exactly what you're going to need in order to make it be a success. The problem with the other systems is that everything's covered for the most part, and you don't. It's kind of like you can't see those exact things. We wouldn't have been able to do that because we had to leave bone
about 2 millimeters of bone.
Was today, and we did what we needed to do to get the osteotomy guide in, and everything worked out.
Well, listen, we appreciate your business, and thank you for always having us here.
Absolutely.
We really enjoy it, and it's such a pleasure, and we learn something new from you every day. So thanks, Dr. Whitney. Thanks, Dr. Burns. We appreciate you.
Thomas, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.